Hey, what's up guys? I'm out here with the SG700 after the modification I did to put 5.8 gigahertz camera in there. It's a 3-in-1 camera that I went ahead and took the Wi-Fi Fpv. I took the two cameras out because this had the optical flow sensor, and I just ran my battery in my camera feed wire out through the camera hole, and then here's the battery feed. So all I have to do is plug it in. We'll get this lit up. I have a 350 milliamp battery in here, 3.7 volt. It's the smallest I have at the time. You could put a lot smaller, like a 150 in there would be perfect to lighten up the weight. So we're gonna test this out and see how it does. See how it does without optical flow sensor, and it should just be a regular altitude hold quadcopter. So as you guys can see, I just drilled a little hole. I just used a little knife and just put a hole in there and carved it out, and the antenna fit right through. So it just clears. Even if this does bend, it won't hit the props. So alright guys, let's test this out and see what it does for a flight. Alright guys, we have connection. It's pretty windy right now, so I'm going to fly line of sight, but I'm going to go ahead and press record on the goggles so I can get it recording so we can see what the video is going to look like. So I just don't want to take a chance of it flying off with my camera. So alright, I got it turned on. Let me bind this thing. And like I said, it's pretty windy, so we'll see how it does, guys. Okay. Alright, just kind of, there's rate 3. Okay, well, let's see how this does. Hopefully the wind don't take it. For being windy, it's actually holding it pretty good, guys. So that's not bad at all. I'll get in the tree. Here we go. All right. Alright, I'm going to bring it down. I'm going to try the goggles on now. I feel a little more comfortable with it, so I'm going to do the automatic land. So that should still work. Okay. There we go.
Alright guys, here comes the flyaway. Right here I lost signal once I got past this truck. And I went in between these two trees right here, the pine tree and the oak tree. And right here it took off on its own. I tried getting closer as I could, but I'm still using my cane and I'm not very fast, so I got a little closer, tried to get a hold of it here, but then it flew off again. And that's where it rested, so I was at least able to reach it with my cane. So this thing definitely doesn't have any range, guys. You know, I didn't show that in my last video of the review because I didn't really get a chance to do a range test, but I would say that was probably at least a little over 50 meters or so. So it definitely didn't get very far.
Alright guys, hey, the SG700, the DJI Spark clone, toy clone that is, with the 5.8 gigahertz camera. I hope you guys enjoyed the flight. If you stick around, I'll go and show you guys what it looks like inside when I open this up, and how I have the camera mounted in there when I took the Wi-Fi out. So that'll be at the end of the film, so stay tuned for that. Sure appreciate you guys watching. And please hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't already.
Hey guys, I just wanted to show you, I pulled the Wi-Fi board out of there with the two cameras, the one for optical flow sensor, which is the smaller one here, and then the bigger one here in the front for just a regular filming. Never did figure out what was wrong with this. It would connect to Wi-Fi, but I would not get any image. And I've tried 5 different devices, even tried Apple product other than my Android system. So, anyways, we did away with that. Kind of backtracking. We've seen the flight and everything. The FPV system worked pretty good. The way I had it here, I went and drilled right through there. Actually, just took the screwdriver, poked a hole through there, and then took my knife and just grooved it out, and came out pretty good. So we're going to kind of do this backwards here. I'm going to take the tape off here so you can see how easy this is. There's my battery cable here, and this one here is for my camera, and it's coming right through where the optical flow sensor camera was coming out there. So on this, I only have but a couple of screws, and that's just right here in the front. So let me take those loose, and you guys will see how easy and how much room is actually in this thing, which is, I was very surprised because I got that 350 milliamp battery in there. So got those loose now. I'm going to go ahead and slide this out of here, guys. So this will just slide down, antenna comes right out. Okay, there we go. Here's the inside of there. I tried hooking up a camera to this right here. It turns the camera on, but it gets some kind of interference, so I couldn't get it to work right. So I ran my own battery, and it sits right in this tray. So works out pretty good. Battery comes right out, and then the camera, all I did was just put a thin piece of electrical tape right there, and it held it in. So, and that's all it takes. Fits right in the groove, right where the old camera sat in there. So, alright guys, well, I hope this helps you out if you have one of these SG700s and you get tired of the Wi-Fi FPV, or it's not working for you. If you didn't get to return it and get your refund, and everything worked for you, but you wanted to go with the 5.8 gigahertz system, you can run it right in here. Got plenty of room, or you can just go and probably mount it right here on the top as well. A lot of people do that, and I do that on some of my quads. So alright guys, hey, thanks so much for watching, and like always guys, God bless, cheers, and happy flying.